I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start with Essentials. Confirm your Airtel SIM is active and you have signal because you cannot trick connectivity. Once done, check balance and data expiry in the Airtel app or by dialing *121# and make a note. Enable mobile data and allow background data for critical apps. This prepares the system. You do this now so subsequent tricks, like free access windows or zero balance credit options, work immediately without wasting time on basic setup. You now execute the core methods. Opt into Airtel Free Basics or any sponsored data in the app, because these bypass paid bundles for selected sites. Next, redeem promotional codes or loyalty points for short data credits. This gives you immediate access. Once done, attempt request for emergency data or temporary extension through the app's help or by UST prompts. These can enable browsing without recharge. Make sure to try one method at a time so you can identify what works for your account. You finish by validating access. Load a lightweight page or the Airtel app and watch the data counter. This proves the method worked. If pages fail to load, toggle airplane mode to reset the radio, restart your phone, and clear the app cache because session issues often block promotional grants. Make sure to retry the selected offer after a restart. If nothing helps, contact Airtel support through an app chat or social channels. Request emergency data explicitly and keep transaction screenshots handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.